So yes, this is the GitHub showing when last was it submitted. Mm, Before the due date. Um, this is the running app, POV part 1, report issues, from Zerist. We also added gamification to show, like, yeah, to complete all fields for faster action, and we added like a loading bar to show your progress as sanitation, you know dirty streets along Church Street, and we attach an image. Attaching an image. Great, you've got everything ready. You get even a thumbs up. Then you submit. As you submit, you get thanks, your report was submitted. Reference time 12:04. Okay, and then it also opens up our database showing all submitted reports. These are all submitted reports. Now you can add more. Making category roads. There's a huge pothole next to Kiro. Touch. If this was the actual image, great, you got everything you needed. Submit. Okay. See, the database is updated. Yeah. Yes, this was part 1. And then if we go back to the rubric, it says this is part 1, app functionality. Main menu is presented flawlessly on startup with all options working perfectly without any errors. Now, going back to our app, yes, the option that was required for part 1 works. Back, and then part 2, part 3, they were not required unless I misunderstood what they meant. Down, and then reporting issues is fully implemented without any errors, and we just showed the functionality for the reporting issues part. User can input details, we showed that as well. And they can input details, and once they are done, it's saved in the database, where you get your ID, reference ID, you get your location, you get your category, you get your description, and submit it at, I don't know at what time was the issue reported. Going back, media attach feature works flawlessly. Yes, we can attach media, but unfortunately for SQL, for SQL we can't. We need a cloud data. We need a proper blob storage to attach, which was not a requirement. We need a proper blob storage to actually save the photo in the database. But yes, you can attach media, any media you need. Images there. You can see For us right now, we just use the location of the address of the media that you know submitted. Like um user engagement strategy. mm, yes, user engagement strategy that we used. Like I said, it's the progress bar. You know, it keeps telling you, listen, you are close. You're basically getting closer and closer. You know, and then once you have everything, it even shows you, hey, great, you're doing a good job. Um, a list of a list is consistently and appropriately used throughout. Yeah, okay, this is for the backend code, but okay, let me stop this. Stop. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, the only problem with this was, yeah, it was this. This is the biggest problem I have with my PC right now. It is slow, very slow, and I don't like it. It was by services. Report issues repository. Yes, we use a list, binding list in our case. Resources, and review code, and then the code for the report issues form at the bottom here. Review code. Yes. So, yep, this is our running app, and again, evidence of the app that we are running. Oops. The thing I'm looking for, where is it? Okay, yeah. Part one is immune. We find it by downloads. BCA3 master submission master branch. Go to downloads. Here it is. It was downloaded at 11:37, and here it was the download and was immediately extracted and open for running. It was not edited at all. If it was edited, the git repo would have shown it needs to be pushed again. Anyway, yes, sir. This is evidence that the app was running. The only problem was I couldn't submit at the time because I didn't have a drive that enabled my PC to record. I had to I had to look for an additional resource, pay extra for somebody to help me fix it. But yes, everything works fine. Please relook at my work and please consider remarking. Thank you.